It's now pretty obvious that electric vehicles are the cars of the future. In the not-too-distant future, our streets will be exclusively lined with electric vehicles and the gas stations will be replaced by electric charging points. Without a doubt, the EV market is expanding rapidly. A few years ago, electric cars were considered luxury items for the rich. But now in 2021, that narrative is quickly changing. Thanks to the growth of the EV market, there are now more electric cars on offer, with far more range than the previous editions, and perhaps more importantly, more affordable pricing. Also, on the design end of things, the current crop of EVs now look more like regular cars compared to their divisive hybrid and EV predecessors. So if you're on a budget and you're looking to jump on the EV bandwagon, this video is for you. In this video, we have made for you a list of the cheapest electric vehicles on the US market that you can buy. But before we get into the driving seat and take you on a trip in these cars, kindly smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that bell icon so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Alright, with that done, fasten your seatbelts and let's go for a ride. Number 10. Ford Mustang Mach-E. Starting price $42,895. The Ford Mustang Mach-E was clearly inspired by the classic Mustang. However, apart from some distinctive styling features and that name Mustang, this all-electric crossover has nothing else in common with a traditional V8 gas-powered Mustang. So yes, Mustang purists will miss the characteristic sound of the Mach-E's V8 counterpart, and of course the traditional feel of its gas-powered cousin. That said, the Mustang Mach-E has strengths of its own. The car boasts an impressive driving range of 305 miles when it is paired with an extended range battery and a rear-wheel drive. Otherwise, the all-wheel drive version of the car only has a maximum range of 270 miles. For the standard version, the car comes with a 75.7 kilowatt-hour battery pack and a 98.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack for the extended range version. The battery packs power electric motors mounted on the rear axles alone or on both axles depending on the model you buy. For the extended range model, the motors produce a combined 480 horsepower, driving the car from 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. The less powerful versions of the car deliver between 266 to 346 horsepower. The interior of the Mach-E, although different from the regular Mustang, is also pretty impressive. There are several slick features in the car, including customizable ambient interior lighting, heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, wireless charging, a panoramic sunroof, and lots of other awesome features. You'd also enjoy top infotainment features including Apple CarPlay, Android Audio, and a Bang & Olufsen audio system. Number 9. Nissan Ariya. Starting price $40,000. The Nissan Ariya is built to go on sale in the US later in 2021. The introduction of this new EV is part of Nissan's effort to expand its line of electric vehicles in addition to the popular Nissan Leaf hatchback. The Nissan Ariya is expected to have a maximum range of 300 miles, and it will be lowered by a large 87 kilowatt-hour battery pack or a smaller 63 kilowatt-hour battery pack, depending on your choice. But of course, going with the 63 kilowatt-hour battery pack option will mean a lower driving range. These battery packs power a motor placed in the front axle for the front-wheel drive configuration, or a pair of motors placed in both axles in the all-wheel drive configuration. With the powerful motors in the all-wheel drive model delivering power to the wheels, the Nissan Ariya will go from 0 to 60 in less than 5 seconds. Inside the car, you'll be greeted by a futuristic, minimalistic interior, as Nissan chose to get rid of every button on its dashboard as much as possible, in favor of a smooth and sleek dashboard finish. A 12.3-inch display serves as the infotainment screen and a digital gauge cluster. You'd also get to enjoy the standard perks of Apple CarPlay and Android Audio with this vehicle. Number 8. Volkswagen ID.4 Pro. Starting price $39,995. Volkswagen has set out to substantially expand its line of electric vehicles, and the ID.4 Electric is a partial fulfillment of their promise to focus on electric vehicles in the future. The ID.4 is a desirable car going by aesthetics alone. Although Volkswagen is set to launch the all-wheel drive versions of the ID.4 later in 2022, The versions currently available in the market are single-motor, rear-wheel drive models. The configuration delivers just 201 horsepower to the wheels, but the all-wheel version is expected to deliver up to 302 horsepower when it arrives. Performance-wise, the ID.4 is just okay. However, there's some upgrading to be done by Volkswagen if this car is to stand out from the competition. The car lacks the exciting acceleration that many other electric vehicles offer, going from 0 to 60 in a rather conservative 7.6 seconds. We expect that the all-wheel drive model of the ID.4 will perform much better than that though. Volkswagen did a good job with the interior of the ID.4. It is uncluttered and with a somewhat playful ambiance. It also boasts some impressive high-tech features including a retractable steering wheel, sliding rear doors, ambient lighting, a 5.3-inch reconfigurable digital gauge display with voice recognition capability, and a 10-inch infotainment touchscreen which can be upgraded to a larger 12-inch display. Number 7. Tesla Model 3. Starting price $39,990. The Tesla Model 3 is one of the most popular electric vehicles in the market thanks to Tesla's leading position in the EV industry. The Model 3 is also Tesla's entry-level electric car, designed to be more affordable for its customers. The car is quick and fun to drive with a generous driving range and some pretty impressive high-tech features. The Model 3 comes in two versions. There's the base standard Range Plus model with a driving range of 263 miles, and the long-range model with a 353-mile driving range. When it comes to acceleration, the standard model of the Tesla 3 rockets to 60 miles per hour in only 3.5 seconds, while the long-range model hits that same mark in 5.1 seconds. The Model 3 is very smooth to drive and gives off practically no noise while its electric motors go to work. Now, let's talk about the interior. The Tesla Model 3 is simply unmatched in simplicity. Nearly everything is controlled by a touchscreen at the center of the dashboard. While several internet streaming radio options are available, AM radio and Sirius XM are absent, which might be a letdown for some customers. And to make things worse, the Model 3 cannot be equipped with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. However, you get to enjoy a host of other entertainment options including YouTube, Netflix, and several arcade games. Number 6. Kia Niro EV. Starting price $39,090. The Kia Niro electric car is a pretty cute entry from Kia. That said, it is a refined and satisfying crossover vehicle, as it also has its gas-only and hybrid alternatives. Although it is one of the more affordable EVs in the US, unfortunately, it is not available in every state. So you might want to find out if it is available in your state before you go out to make a purchase. This car is powered by a single electric motor installed on its front axle, and it produces a rather average 201 horsepower. So it's no surprise that the vehicle powers up from 0 to 60 in 6.5 seconds. The Kia Niro has a more refined performance than its competitors, with wind and road noise being far less noticeable in this car compared to other EVs in its category. Some of the Niro's standout features include heated front seats, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities, and a host of driver assist technology features such as automated emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist. During winter seasons, the car provides warm comfort thanks to a heated steering wheel, a battery heater, and a heat pump designed to keep the car warm and improve its driving range in cold weather. And, oh, we forgot to add, this vehicle has an estimated driving range of 239 miles. Number 5. Hyundai Kona Electric. Starting price $37,390. The Kona Electric is Hyundai's attempt to swap the gasoline engines of the Kona SUV with an electric motor and a battery pack. And honestly, the result is pretty good. The Kona Electric is a compelling all-electric option for people who do not want to ever visit a gas station without having to break the bank. Apart from its affordable starting price, Kona's warranty comes with a 36,000-mile 3-year complimentary scheduled maintenance plan, a warranty offer that is miles ahead of its competitors and could be enough to convince prospective buyers to go with this EV. The performance of the Kona Electric is somewhat tame though. First, it only comes in a front-wheel drive configuration, and it is powered by a 64 kilowatt-hour battery pack. This means that the car has an estimated driving range of 258 miles and an acceleration from 0 to 60 in 6.4 seconds, which is just 0.2 seconds quicker than the regular Kona. The car doesn't offer sports car caliber thrills, but it is a pretty compelling car to buy. In the infotainment department, the Kona Electric comes with a 7-inch touchscreen which can be upgraded to 8 or 10 inches if you desire. The system also comes equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities, and a 6-speaker audio system in the standard model, which is upgraded to an 8-speaker Infinity audio system in the limited and ultimate models of the car. Number 4. Hyundai Ioniq. Starting price $33,245. The Hyundai Ioniq is a budget-friendly EV with an impressive array of standard driver assistance tech, an eco-friendly interior, and an inviting warranty offer. That said, you should note that, for now, the Hyundai Ioniq is only available in 14 states across the country. The main draw of the Hyundai Ioniq is really its price, so don't expect this car to give you so much in terms of performance. For starters, it has an estimated driving range of just 170 miles, which is not so impressive compared to what the competition offers. Then it's got a single motor that delivers only 134 horsepower to the wheels of the car. And unsurprisingly, the car has a pretty sluggish acceleration time of 8.3 seconds to go from 0 to 60. So no, this car is no Tesla. But if affordability is a key criterion and you don't need a car for long-distance shuttles, then the Ioniq might do it for you. The car comes with an 8-inch touchscreen for its infotainment system, as well as a Harman Kardon 8-speaker system equipped with wireless charging. Number 3. Nissan Leaf. Starting price $31,670. The Nissan Leaf is a car built for customers on a budget, and it is one of the most popular budget EVs in the market. The primary objective of the Nissan Leaf is to transport you to your destination in an all-electric vehicle. Apart from that, it doesn't offer so much more. This vehicle does not come with any of the flashy offerings you'd see in other premium EV vehicles. And while its starting price is pretty low, so also is its driving range at a meager 149 miles. But that's no surprise considering the standard version of the car comes with a 40 kilowatt-hour battery pack. However, you could choose to go for the Plus models of the car, which come with a larger 62 kilowatt-hour battery pack and a more competitive 226-mile driving range. Although the Plus models will cost you more money. On the plus side of things, the Nissan Leaf boasts a spacious cabin and some impressive driver assistant features and semi-autonomous capabilities. Number 2. Chevrolet Bolt. Starting price $31,000. The Chevy Bolt entered the market at a much higher price point of nearly $37,000. However, the vehicle can now be purchased for as low as $31,000, which is a real bargain considering what this EV has to offer. It has an impressive driving range of 259 miles and boasts some pretty nice features like ambient interior lighting, leather seats, heated rear seats, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and rear parking sensors. The car rides very smoothly, and its regenerative braking capability makes driving this EV a breeze. Number 1. Mini Cooper SE. Starting price $29,900. The Mini Cooper SE remains the most affordable electric vehicle in the US. And while this pint-sized car is definitely fun to drive, it is only designed for short distances. The car's estimated 110-mile driving range is proof of that. However, many folks are still captured by the car's charm, sportiness, and quirkiness. But besides that, the Mini Cooper SE offers a plethora of standard features including automatic dual-zone climate control, heated front seats, faux leather upholstery, LED front lighting, and rain-sensing windshield wipers. The car is designed with front-wheel drive, and its electric motor delivers 181 horsepower thanks to its 32.6 kilowatt-hour battery pack. The manufacturers claim that the Mini Cooper will hit the 60 miles per hour mark in 6.9 seconds, and can reach a top speed of 93 miles per hour. And there you have it. These are the top 10 cheapest electric vehicles in the United States in 2021. Which of these cars impresses you the most? Let us know in the comment section. And on that note, we've come to the end of this video. See you next time.